Baby, baby, I feel crazy. Jump in the Cadillac, girl, it's pushing miles on it. Oh, if you know what you came for, this is what you came for. Tell me what you came for. Everybody's watching her. This is what you came for.
She bad and nosy, cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got gunners and 100 rounds too. My niggas is bad and nosy.
So almost most of downtown has been evacuated, but they just said that there were no bombs found in that particular truck. So I hope we can get through downtown. That's why I was just looking.
Somebody left 1,000 gallons of gas.
1,000.
1,000 gallons of gas in a truck downtown. Just left it there.
Well, they're wondering why. Who needs that?
That much gas.
Exactly, and it was at the T. Rowe Price building.
Oh my God.
So I don't know.
But they said there's no bombs found.
There's no bomb, but then they don't know if it's something somewhere else sitting waiting. I don't know how they found out about that one. I'm glad they did. We just gonna play it by ear. They said to stay off Pratt Street. That's why it's all red.
Yeah, man, I hope we make it to the hotel too. But if not, then hey, you know, you just gotta take a good walk.
We'll be alright. I won't leave you hanging like that. We're gonna figure this out. Where did you come in from?
New York.
Nice.
So that's what this whole conversation was about on the radio, about doing better in Baltimore. And
Yeah.
oh, okay, because of this scare.
And
Okay.
no.
Oh, this is just a regular conversation.
It's a regular conversation. This is Morgan State University station.
Oh, okay.
So basically, Trump tweeted about Baltimore being dirty and this, that, and the third. So he was doing it towards our Congressman Elijah Cummings. So some white guy who was a dog walker turned Trump supporter, supposedly, came to Baltimore, and how convenient that the media cameras were there.
Huh.
And he said he cleaned up 12 tons of trash in 12 hours. That's a lie. Tons.
Yeah, nah,
He's
not
lying.
12 tons.
So he's back again today. On camera, he told the people they need to thank Trump and thank him.
What?
And he is just so concerned about us. So they're pissed because they're like, why do we need a white person to come and clean up our neighborhood?
Right.
So that's what it's about.
Okay.
In our communities have 12 tons of trash.
She keeps saying it, but you know she can't call him a liar.
But the rebuttal is about how come we are not picking it up. Right. Grand settings, you guys. So, as you may already know, I am back in Baltimore. Just got in my room, just got checked in, just put my bags down, got my comfy little bed. Right now, I'm starving like Marvin. I'm about to get ready to go and get something to eat. It is 5:16. I want to go to Chick-fil-A and get something to eat so bad, but I start at 6 o'clock, so I actually probably really don't have time to get something to eat. I'm gonna go ahead and get my songs together and get ready for this performance. I don't know if I'm going to record anything. We'll see. But my room is actually really not all that big. Literally, when you come in, it's not that long of a hallway. Then this is pretty much it. There would never be anything that beats these showers. These showers are just like heaven on earth to me. I just love the whole glass concept from floor to top, floor to ceiling. I love that. Y'all, I've been enjoying my stomach out lately because I've been losing it. But yeah, you guys, I have been enjoying wearing my midriff shirts because I've been enjoying my stomach improvement that has been going on. As you saw in the last vlog, so this is me. So next summer, I should be banging. That's the goal, to start back being a swimsuit model. Not to be dealing with no push, not to be dealing with no love handles, like none of that. I'm just a little tired, but I'm so hungry. Anyways, about to go and get these songs together, so I'll come back and check in with you guys later. So this is pretty much the look of the evening. So I'll see you guys whenever I get done. Oh, tell me you love me. I need someone. On days like this I do. On days like this. Oh, tell me you love me. I need someone. On days like this I do. On days like this. Oh, can you hear my heart say? It is the end of the day. I got the itis. I just came from the Cheesecake Factory. I ate this huge pasta bowl. It was so delicious. I did not think I was going to eat half of it, but I ate that whole thing. I wish I would have got it on vlog, but I left my camera in my room, and I also left my phone charger in my room, so my phone was dead. Anyways, I'm about to go ahead and pass out. I will see you guys tomorrow in Washington, D.C., and I'm going to try to merge both of these vlogs together. Grand Rising Arisers. Just relaxing in the room. I haven't even gotten breakfast. It's the next day. Second of all, everything is dying. This camera is dying. My laptop is dying. And I'm just doing some editing here that you guys are going to get last week by the time that you're seeing this vlog. And then I'm watching the Ace Family vlogs right here. I'm just trying to, not so much just focus, but just taking it in is what I'm trying to say while everything is dying. So I just wanted to come in and check in with you guys real quick. I requested a late checkout. Right now it's 11:01, so I requested 12 o'clock. I'm going to get ready to head to DC pretty soon, but until then I'm gonna let this camera charge. I'm gonna do a little bit more editing, get this bus ticket, finish watching the Ace Family vlogs because I haven't been watching them in a while. So I am back, packing up everything right now. I think I got everything together, but I was supposed to try to find the post office around here because I need to drop off some packages. I just got through watching some of the Ace Family house tour. So yeah, I'm a little bit behind. I know you all probably caught up by now, but listen, everybody has a life. Real quick, I just want to say, I was looking at the comment section. So many people that literally have commented so much negative stuff on their house tour video. Like, the only comment that I have is that freaking thing is an hour long, and I'm just like, what in the world? So I haven't watched the whole thing. I haven't even watched half of it because I had to hurry up and just go ahead and get ready to pack up and go to DC. But I do want to say, with all the people who commented so much like negative stuff or just things that are just not even positive, one thing that my grandmother always told me, it takes all kinds to make a world. And if we were all the same, it would be a boring place. So some people just really like the finer things in life, whether it's something that's very chic or whether if it's something very, you know, homey or, you know, like grandmother kind of feel, you know. I mean, people have their own thing that they really like. And the Ace family, they're just one of those families who loves, you know, things like that. I know everybody was like, when he said that they're a minimalist, it's just like, what the freak? Like, what are you talking about? You're a minimalist. You got like 120 pair of shoes. Like, I don't know. I mean, it's a lot of things that a lot of people really should just take with a grain of salt because it's more than likely sarcasm or a joke, and some people will just take it through the roof. And oh, come on now, can't be blurring like that. Honestly, the house is dope. Now, I don't know if I will be moving into something like that, but it is a dope house. I mean, you can't really knock it. Some people like, oh, the house doesn't look comfortable at all. And Catherine even said that the house wasn't even finished at first. But I mean, it's a very chic, you know, looking house. You know, even in their last house, it has so much going on. I mean, you know, it's just their thing. So I just think people are entitled to whatever they like. A lot of people don't even have half of what they have. Austin has the finances. Catherine has the finances. Austin has Catherine. Catherine has Austin, and they have two very beautiful daughters. They have their whole family. They have their whole life. Not only that, Austin is taking care of his family, his parents. Half of people can't even do that. Austin is also keeping people a job on the other hand. So it's like certain things. I look at the overall picture. On top of they give a lot in charity, they do a lot for other people, and they are just enjoying the fruits of their labor. That's how I see it. Now, let me just go ahead and say, I don't know about Austin's past or Catherine's past. You know, I know that a lot of YouTubers have a lot of drama going on, and that is how they built up to be so big. I know a couple of other YouTubers are the same way. Keisha Kaylee is another one where she has so much drama in her past where it kind of overshadows everything that she wants to do now, which is kind of stay positive and just move forward with her family and everything. She has Jeremy, and they have two very beautiful daughters. So I mean, I understand if you guys have been watching them for a while and you probably like, okay, well, Arye doesn't realize all the shadiness and all of the backstabbings and everything that went on beforehand. But listen, now, if I'm just looking at what's now, and what I see now is he's taking care of his family. Catherine is able to take care of her family, and they're able to help others. They also gave Africa some water. You know, I know they put in the spouts, I think that's what it is, because there was a certain area or a certain village that didn't really have clean water, and it was just, you know, a really sad sight. Austin helped with that. So yeah, I mean, to each his own. That's all I really have to say about that. Like I said, I understand that they may have had some kind of drama or whatever in the past, and that's how some people build up their careers. Honestly, that's how a lot of celebrities probably, you know, more than likely built up their careers, whether it's from publicity relationships or, you know, some kind of drama that happened that, you know, they need a publicity stunt or something like that. That's how they get, you know, where they are pretty much. So anyways, that's all I have to say about that. I just wanted to just like put that little insert there. The only thing, you know, I gotta say is, you know, half of you people, even me, I don't even have half of the stuff that they have, but half of everybody who's like been throwing so much hate in the comments don't even have nowhere near what they have, no matter how they got there or not. And I don't really like to use this particular phrase. Some people just feel that they have to do what they have to do to get what they need to go. And even though there are a lot of things that I have passed up, a lot of things that I haven't done, that I know I probably could have been bigger than where I am now, my conscience won't allow me to do that. And I just rather go at my own pace and just be my own self, and I do things what I like, and I don't do things what I don't like. But at the same time, there are times where I come a little bit out of my comfort zone. You know, I do a little risky stuff, but it's nothing like over the top. So I just say that to say, to each his own, and that you guys should really consider on looking at the whole picture instead of, you know, a little thing. So, all right. Anyways, I'm done. That's my little rant. Also, by the way, I know I have on the same thing that I wore yesterday. I forgot to get another shirt and another pair of jeans, another pair of pants, whatever. But so yeah, it's the same thing. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So me looking dusted and busted is about to go into my hotel room. I am in Washington, D.C. So let's check and see how the room is going to be this time. I'm not really giving an official tour, but low-key I am. First walking in, the mirror, the setup. Oh yes, have a little refrigerator. Okay. And I have a microwave. I'm so glad. I love it when I have microwaves, to be honest with you. Once again, got this wacky bathroom that I do love. The little closet that they have. So when we first walk around the corner, I got my couch. Looks like there's like a little dip here. Like you guys can see, it's like a dip like right here. Nice lamp, got another mirror there. This lovely post. Got the bed. Favorite of all, got this mirror. The banging TV, the dresser, this desk that I will be doing more editing on. And this is my view. It's not as great of a view as my last one, but still pretty cool. This is the pamphlet for Hotel RL, the living stage, which is what we perform under. I love this picture. And I'm on here twice, y'all. They love me. They love me. They really love me. Gives you the calendar of all of the events, which they don't really have too much this month, I see. But, of course, there me go. And I started at 7. I always love the love and appreciation that Hotel RL shows me. It just means so much, and I just wish I got paid for it. Some light. Okay, well, yeah, this is okay. This light is cool. So I have about 3 hours until performance time. So I'm going to get these songs together. I'm going to do some more editing and pretty much just relax in this room. I'm not going to really go out and about DC this time. I kind of just want to stay in and just kind of keep to myself. But I'm going to go ahead and close out this vlog here. I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog and enjoyed my journey to DC and Baltimore. Just a quick insert. The performance did not happen because turns out they did not have all the equipment to hook me up for me to perform. I was like, this is ridiculous. This is the 3rd time that I've been here. You guys should have this down by now. I wish you guys would have told me earlier, blah, blah, blah. I could have been in New York. Not only that, I had people coming out to see me. So now I had to tell them that it's canceled, and this is right on the money that I need to be performing at this time. So it's unfortunate, but you know, I guess things happen. I will be leaving for New York in the morning, so now to resume back to your regular scheduled vlog. By the way, my DCNs, I don't know exactly what you're called, but DCNs, we'll just roll with it right now. September 22nd, I do have a gig here at Wild Days. It's going to start at 5:30. It's going to be me and the band. You got me for an hour. So if you are in the area or will be in the area that day, please come out and support assist. Oh, so my birthday week. Matter of fact, let me just like sit this down here. Okay, this is cool. All right, so my birthday week, you guys, I want to do an intro for my birthday week, of course. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do. I also don't know if I'm going to do the once a day birthday week. I do want to celebrate my birthday for a whole week per usual. But I just can't really find the niche of what I want to do this year, even though I do have some things already in plan. So I don't know. I'm excited for the trip that you guys are going to see first on my birthday. So that's going to definitely cover 3 or 4 days of my birthday week, and then I just got to figure out what else I'm gonna do for the next 3 or 4 days, even though something else is already planned for one of those days. But you guys will see. I'm not gonna talk your ears off, but this is it. Hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog, and I love you guys so much. Please share if you care these vlogs. If you enjoy these, make sure you give a like, and don't forget to subscribe to become an ariser, and also comment below. Arisers arising to the highest. We show up, we show out, so stay tuned for what's next.